Lossy is a very simple and a very short topic. You only need to remember how to construct a lossy of two equidistant points, lossy of two equidistant line, then the lossy of a constant angle, and the lossy of inequalities. And then finally, how you can combine all this, because a question will not just ask for one. Apart from constant angle, whereby they can ask you to construct a constant angle, na wakupe 10 marks, but the others mostly they'll combine them. So kama hii lossy of two equidistant point, so ukiambiwa 2 points m and n just like that, alafu uambiwa construct the lossy of a point which is equidistant from m and n. So it means that point should be the same distance. The construction of that point should be the same distance from point M and also from point N. Hapa tulisema you join M and N if it is not joined for you, and then you bisect this line. Ukibisect hii line, any point on this line will be the same distance from M as it is from N. So hii ni lossy of two equidistant point. Alafu kuna lossy of two equidistant lines. Sasa tuko na line AB. So AB na AC. So we want to construct a lossy of a point or points which will always be equidistant from line AB and AC. Hapa tulisema you bisect angle at point A. So A is a common point for both lines. So you will bisect the angle at the common point. So ukibisect the angle here, then any point on this line here will be the same distance from AB and AC. The other one yenye sija indicate hapa ni ile ya point equidistance from a line. Point equidistance from a line. So uko na line AB. So you are looking for a lossy of a point which is always be the same distance from AB. Hiyo tulisema you construct a parallel line either above or below the line. So on this line, any point on this parallel line will always be equidistant from AB. Hiyo ni parallel line, siku indicate hapa. Then kuna sasa hii ya constant angle. Hii ya constant angle tulisema ukiambiwa construct an angle such that it is always maybe 30 degrees on the circumference of the circle. Hapa ndio tulisema you first of all do a sketch. If I want an angle on the circumference of the circle which is always 30 degrees, it means that the angle here at the center should be twice this. So the angle at the center here should be 60 degrees. So kumaanisha, because this is a circle, these are two lines which are equal. So these base angles should be the same. Kumaanisha, I will start by drawing a line AB. Then 180 minus 60, hiyo ni 120. So I'll construct an angle of 60 here and an angle of 60 here. So that the angle here at the center will also be 60. And then from there now, I can be able to use this radius and construct a circle. That is OB or OA. So ukiconstruct an angle using this radius, it will form a circle. So any point on that circle will always be 30 degrees. And kama hujaambiwa on one side of AB, you will have to do it on the downside. So again, you construct 60 here, 60, so that you'll have 60 here. So again, you use OB and construct a circle. Ndio tuliita constant angle loci. Then kuna hii losses of inequalities. So losses of inequalities comes in after you have been able to construct all this. Kama sasa utaambiwa shade, for example, sasa tuko na hii mn. To bisect so that we can get a point which is equidistant from m and n. Sasa ukiambiwa shade the side, the wanted region, that is the side whereby mn, let's say this is O. MO is always greater than ON. MO is always greater than ON. So MO is always greater than ON. So what it means, then first of all, ukiequate MO is equals to ON, ni kumaanisha ni at this point. So if we are interested on the greater side, whereby MO is always greater than ON, ni kumaanisha for MO to be greater than ON, then this side is wanted. Because hii side inamaanisha MO is less. So we'll shade this side. So in that case, if we move O to this side, it means that MO will always be greater than ON. Okay, here inequality is a bit tricky, but I hope umeelewa hizi zingine. So here inequality, unless we do it with a question.